Tesla just made an announcement that shocked the entire tech world. The company is ending production of its Model S and Model X cars to make room for something completely different. Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robots will take over the factory space where luxury electric vehicles were built. This is not a small shift. This is Tesla betting its future on robots instead of cars. Tesla confirmed during its January 2026 earnings call that third-generation Optimus humanoid robots will be unveiled in Q1 2026, with mass production planned to begin later in the year. CEO Elon Musk announced that Tesla will stop producing Model S and Model X vehicles in Q2 2026, repurposing the Fremont, California factory space to support Optimus production. This represents a historic pivot from being primarily an automotive company to positioning robotics and AI as core business priorities. The Model S and Model X were Tesla's flagship vehicles that helped establish the company as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Musk stated on the earnings call that it's time to basically bring the Model S and X programs to an end with an honorable discharge. If you're interested in buying a Model S and X, now would be the time to order it. The production line at Fremont will be replaced with a line capable of producing up to 1 million Optimus units per year. Musk set an ambitious target of 1 million units annually at the Fremont facility alone. Tesla commenced mass production of Optimus Gen 3 inches January 2026, marking the transition from experimental research to a legitimate industrial product line. The company stated that by the end of 2026, thousands of Optimus robots will operate not just within Tesla's own factories, but also in facilities of early industrial partners. Elon Musk believes humanoid robots represent a far larger market than electric vehicles. During Q3 2025 earnings, Musk stated that approximately 80% of Tesla's future value will originate from the Optimus robot. This assessment reflects his view that robots can address markets and applications that cars cannot reach. Musk described Optimus as potentially the largest product category in history. The business case centers on labor economics. One Optimus robot is projected to equal 5 times human productivity at significantly lower expense, operating 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, without breaks when tethered to power. The robots are designed to perform boring, repetitive, or dangerous tasks without human interaction. This addresses labor shortages while removing humans from physically demanding or hazardous work. Advances in AI, vision systems, and autonomous decision-making enable this shift. Optimus uses the same AI backbone as Tesla's full self-driving system, leveraging computer vision, neural networks, and real-time mapping. The end-to-end neural network approach handles everything from visual processing to motion planning through integrated AI systems. This provides adaptability that specialized robotic systems struggle to match. The Gen 3 robot represents radical improvements from Gen 2 prototypes. The most striking advancement is the new 22 degree of freedom hands. Tesla moved actuators from the hand into the forearm, utilizing a complex tendon-driven system that closely mimics human hand dexterity with 27 degrees of freedom. This allows Gen 3 to perform over 3,000 discrete household and industrial tasks, ranging from delicate manipulation of battery cells to cracking eggs and sorting packages. Optimus is designed for applications far beyond factories. Tesla states the robot will work in warehouses, hospitals, homes, and potentially assist in highly sensitive tasks. Musk has claimed that robots could eventually help perform surgeries, predicting that after mass production begins, robots capable of performing high-level surgeries might outnumber human surgeons within a few years. These projections raise significant questions about safety, regulation, and liability. Over 1,000 Gen 2 and Gen 3 Optimus units currently operate at Giga Texas, handling delicate components autonomously. The robots perform basic factory tasks like pick-and-place operations, transitioning from teleoperation to vision-based autonomy. Tesla reports that failure rates have dropped below those of human trainees for certain tasks. These internal deployments serve as testing grounds to discover and solve issues before external sales begin. Tesla faces substantial technical challenges. The company missed its 2025 goal of producing 5,000 units due to supply chain hurdles and engineering complexities. Musk acknowledged that hands represent an incredibly difficult engineering challenge. Optimus contains approximately 10,000 components, many custom to Tesla's design. A single late supplier can halt entire production cells. Battery density, thermal management, and full resilience also require robust validation. The robot stands about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs roughly 125 pounds. It's designed to walk up to 5 miles per hour, carry 20 pounds, and deadlift around 150 pounds. It uses multiple cameras and sensors for full 360-degree awareness, with all processing handled locally on Tesla's AI chips rather than the cloud. Tesla aims to price the robot between $20,000 and $30,000, made possible by its manufacturing scale and in-house AI systems. Competing humanoid robots from Figure AI, Agility Robotics, and Boston Dynamics are expected to cost well over $100,000. Public sales are targeted for late 2027 after extensive internal testing, with early access likely through lease-to-own programs. In January 2026, Musk said the robot already performs simple factory tasks and will move to more complex work by year's end, pending strict safety and reliability benchmarks. Long-term, he believes humanoid robots could outnumber humans and multiply global GDP by 10 to 100 times by eliminating labor shortages. Not everyone is convinced. Labor groups warn robots could replace human jobs, with union leaders calling for robot taxes to support displaced workers. Privacy advocates also raise concerns over constant surveillance, facial recognition, and in-home data risks. Legal responsibility for autonomous robots around children and pets remains unresolved. Tesla plans to scale production to up to 100,000 units by the end of 2026 using a new, vertically integrated supply chain. Wall Street is split. Some see a $1 trillion opportunity, others question timelines. Either way, this robot bet could redefine Tesla and the future of work.